Hey, what is going on, guys? So I'm going to be doing a GK61 review, unboxing review, whatever. Yeah, this is the thing. I thought it was a SK61, but it's wireless, which is really nice. So yeah, I already unboxed it, so that's what it sounds like. Hold on. Can you see that? Can you see that, guys? I don't know. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, you guys can see that. Okay. Hold on. I might accidentally do a face reveal because I'm dumb. That's the escape button. That's the delete button right here. That's the enter button. This is a very nice keyboard, by the way, guys. Look how good that is. And then I got some extra keycaps right here. This one, I have no idea what they're for. But I might use them. Wait. I don't know. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, see you next time. Oh yeah, and also make sure to follow my Twitch, TTV_PayPal. It's gonna be in the description. Yeah, bye.